Good morning, students. The new chapter is surface areas and volumes. So, in this chapter, we learn how to find the surface areas of cuboid or cube and how to find the volumes of that figures. So, first we write the formulas to calculate the surface areas and volumes. Surface of a cuboid. Two into two first bracket, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. L means length, B means breadth and H means height. This is the surface area of a cuboid. Surface area of a cube, 6 into side square. This is how to find the surface area of a cube. The formula is 6 into side square. Lateral surface area of a cuboid. Length plus width into height. 2 length plus breadth into height. As this is area, so we need square. Lateral surface area of a cube, 4 into side square. Unit square. So lateral surface area of a cube, 4 into side square. Now exercise 13.1, sum number 1. In this question, it has given a plastic bag box 1.5 meter long. So length equal to 1.5 meter and width is given 1.5 2 meter, that is 1.255 meter, and height is given 65 centimeter. Now the top of the box is open. So in this question you have to find area of sheet required for making the box, and second one you have to find the cost of sheet if the sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. So blame this 1.5 meter, this one given in meter. Break the width also given 1.25 meter, and height is given in centimeter. So first to make them same unit, so 0.65 meter, Roman 1. Area of sheet required to make the box equal to total surface area minus area of the top of the box. As the box is open, so we subtract the area of the top of the box. So total surface area to length into breadth 1.5 into 1.25 plus breadth into height 1.25 into 0.65, height into length into 1.5 minus area of the top area of the top, that is minus 1.5 into 1.25. Now first multiply this one. 1.5 into 1.25. 1.875 plus multiply 1.25 with 0.65. 0.8125 plus multiply 0.65 with 1.5. 0.975 minus 1.5 into 1.25, so 1.875. Now add all these three. So 1.875 plus 0.8125 plus 0.975, which is equal to 6625 minus 1.875. Now multiply 2 with 3.6625, 7.325, 1.875. Now subtract these two, which is equal to 5.45 meter square. So area of the sheet required to make the box, that is 5.45 meter square, when the top of the box is open. So this one is the answer of number 1. The next, cost of the sheet equal to, as 1 meter square costs rupees 20. So 1 meter square costs rupees 20 into 5.45. Now multiply 20 with 5.45 is equal to 1 G. So next part of the question, cost of the sheet required to make that box is, if per meter square costs rupees 20, then total cost is rupees 109. In question number 2, the length, breadth and height of the room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of 750 per meter square. So length was given, that is length of the room 5 meter, breadth of the room 4 meter, height of the room 3 meter. As in that room 4 walls and ceiling, these things do for whitewashing. So area white washing the four walls and ceiling. So area of 4 walls, 2 length plus breadth into height, plus area of ceiling, length into breadth. Now 2 L 5 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 4. So 2 into 3 into 9 plus 20 So now I multiply these three, then add 20 with it, 54 plus 20, 74 meter square. So area of whitewashing portion is 74 meter square. Next, cost of whitewashing equal to root 7.50 into 74. So multiply these two, which is equal to rupees 5. So the cost of whitewashing at rupees 750 is 750 with area of the whitewashing portion. So now multiply 7.50 with 74, which is equal to rupees 555. So this is the total cost of the room where the walls are whitewashing and with the ceiling of the room are whitewashing. The next question, sum number 3. In this question, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, then you have to find the height of the hall. So let length H breadth B and height H meter. Then, as in this question, the perimeter of the floor has given. So perimeter that is so 2 regular break 250. Now area of 4 walls equal to 2 length plus width into height. So the cost of that given, that is 8 into 10 into 2 length plus width into height equal to 15,000. 2 length plus width, that value is equal to 50. So 10 into 250 into h equal to 15,000. Now h equal to by 10 into 250. Now reduce 6, height equal to 6 meters. So height of the room is 6 meters. That perimeter of the floor is given to 50 meters. So cost of 4 walls 10 rupees 10 per meter square. In this way total cost is 15,000. Area of 4 walls, 2 length plus width into height, per meter square cost 10 in this way, total cost 15,000. So 10 into 2L plus B into H equal to 15,000. Now calculate the value of H. So H is 6 meter. So height of the room is 6 meter.